In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Loop in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're new to the landscape of digital collaboration or you're just looking to enhance your productivity, this guide will walk you through integrating this powerful tool seamlessly into your workflow. Microsoft Loop, a relatively new addition to the Microsoft 365 suite, enhances collaboration by allowing you to create and share blocks of content that everyone on the team can work on simultaneously. It's perfect for brainstorming, project planning, and organizing tasks collaboratively, all within Microsoft Teams, a platform many of us already use regularly. To begin, ensure that you have a Microsoft 365 account and access to Microsoft Teams. It's important to keep in mind that some features might not be available if your organization hasn't enabled them yet. Now, once you're in Teams, navigate to the channel where you wish to integrate Microsoft Loop. At the top of the channel, find the icon, commonly known as the Add a Tab button, and click on it. This action offers an array of options for integrating apps and tools into your channel. In the search bar that appears, type Loop. As you type, you'll see the Microsoft Loop app pop up as a selection. Click on it to proceed. This is where you'll get the chance to connect Loop with Teams. The platform might prompt you to add Loop to your meeting or channel, effectively integrating it so your team can access it easily. Now, after adding the app to your channel, you'll want to create a Loop page. Click on New Page and think of this as a collaborative digital whiteboard. This is where you can add different components like lists, tables, and text that everybody in your team will be able to edit in real time. It's really interactive and perfect for ensuring everyone has the latest information without sending numerous emails back and forth. To add content, simply click on the type of component you want to add. If you want to include a table, for instance, select the table option. Input your data or information. It's as intuitive as using a spreadsheet. The same logic applies if you'd like to insert text or any other component. The beauty of Loop lies in its real-time synchronization, meaning as you input information, your teammates will immediately see the changes. If you need to reorganize or move your components, Loop makes it easy. Just click and drag the component to the desired location on the page. This feature allows for a fluid and flexible workspace, adapting as your project evolves. As you work within Loop, don't forget to frequently check in with your team. Prioritize clear communication to ensure that everyone understands their role and contributions. This will help in maintaining an effective collaborative environment. Finally, regularly saving your progress is essential to avoid any data loss during collaborative sessions. Though Loop often autosaves, manually saving can provide peace of mind. That's how you seamlessly use Microsoft Loop in Microsoft Teams to boost your collaborative efforts. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.